Welcome aboard, guys. Super Trains 156 here. To the trains, choose a route, Cathcart Circle. We got new things happening today. Because ScotRail has ordered new trains and it just came out today. Well, yesterday. Press release. Good morning, your task is today to take a Class 380 ScotRail for a special tour around Cathcart Circle. In both directions, head over to your train and it will start from Glasgow. Yep. Check this out. What's this? It's like an emergency button. Okay. Looking so cool. 380-015. I like the look of these trains. I like the weathering, the dustiness. Even those cool looking stickers they got up there. 314-207. 380-004. 380-021. 314-214. Hello. my favorite unit are from the 314 family. .004, we've seen before. So this would be our train for today, 380-018. And everything I tried before to couple up this train with the DBBR1442 Talent 2. Yeah, seems like the Talent 2's coupler is a bit more higher than 380's, so they cannot couple up. Sadly. It should make sense. Class 380 is built in Germany, and 1442 Talent 2 also lives in Germany. But, oh well. I also tried coupling up the Hitachi 701. No, that'd be 801. Yeah, failed that the two. Master switch on. Pantograph up. Now to test every light. Tail. That's looking gorgeous. There is, however, one thing Hold up. What units are you? 007 and 113. Okay. Oh yeah, I love the sound of these trains, especially the pantograph car. You can't hear it. Wait. Oh, I love that feature. The cab door is opened, which means that the door lights with flash. Oh, that's awesome. Anyway, Anyways, where's the nose? There. Let's retract. Huh? No, redeploy. I love that animation, it's so cool. But one thing which I noticed about this door, yeah, you can see the outside from the inside. You can also see that there's like two different layers up on the door. This layer is supposed to be seeing the inside, and this one to be seeing the outside. I don't think they stitched it correctly because I can see both at the same time. At the same time that if I look from the inside or from this train gangway, yeah, you can see a little bit of the outside sneaks in. But there's just a couple of things I've noticed. Apart from that, once the door is closed, it's very invisible. So let's retract. It's a really cool animation of that too. I love how smooth it is. Anyways, marker. You can get some pretty cool shots of this too. Anyways, daylight. I also love hello 314212. Have a nice trip towards Glasgow. I gotta say as well, pretty weird. 314 was scrapped in 2019, while Class 380s had these stickers being added in, I think 2023. Yeah, it's pretty weird. But oh well. At least we got a driver of the Class 318 and 320. Wrong trains. At least we get driver 380 and 314. Now to put in some more normal passenger use. Stay. Forward. 014. Anyways, I like how they added in this bit for the door. It's so much detail in this. Did they do it with the passenger door too? Oh, they did. Sadly, it's not, you know, correctly, well, sadly it's not textured correctly, but at least it's there. Now, Dovetail Games, please apply that for every single train which actually does have those connectors onto your doors. For 377, 387, and one thing which I love as well, the motors of, oh wait, you might be able to hear it now. Yep. It may sound like the Class 385 just pitched a bit more higher, but I actually do love it. Anyways, now for one of my favorite parts about this train as well. As well as the shape of the train, which is fantastic. Now how come? Now how? They made it so perfect. I love the motors. I also love the feature which they have for the class, well, for the horn. Is that once you get up to a speed, the horn light changes pitch. I'm going to see if that's actually true. Once we travel up to 15 miles an hour. 50. I just blast the horn and see if it actually does change. See you later, 314214. There's also another 314. There we go. Hiding inside a shed. Hello. What unit are you? 206. Just having a nice rest inside the shed. I wish that, oh wait, this. You see underneath the train thanks to its, thanks to this. Sadly it's a bit blurry because the train, well, class 380 is moving. Well, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're speeding just a little bit. I know 38018. We are excited to have the service for the tour. But please be careful on these tracks. Thanks. Sadly as well, whenever the junctions are here, the bogies do not bounce down. But oh well. But I also realized another thing. Sometimes the bogie likes to like shake left to right. It's just really small little shakes and I do like it. I know that we've got you know, certain times called the called the quiet time, but I don't think I would be listening to that because, well, how much I love using the horns. It's so cool. I like how when I was trying to click on the door, I just heard the flange. I also love how I can actually go underneath here and see a lot of the underframe. Especially with the 380-1s, where they perfectly done class 380's empty car without any of these extra mechanics underneath the train car. I love it. My second favorite train inside a train sim world. Oh. Don't need more power, I need brake. change it to tail, this, and out. Okay. Now close this, open. I also love the destination lines. Come on, I know you can do it. Is it because I got the cab turned off? Or is it... Let's try on a different car. Ah, the next stop is Glasgow Central. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train. Safety notices are located throughout the train. Please have your tickets ready for inspection. How do I inspection? Like, I love how they perfectly added that in. Dovetail games. How? This is so cool. Sadly, this part, I don't know if this part can actually open or close. It looks like there's a gap here, so it can. No, it's not. It's just as it is. Okay. Also pretty weird how this is a door with all these different panels, but I close this. Can this be closed? Yep. Okay. I also love the horn inside the cab. The sound of from the GSMR. Can you actually? No. Like. Oh wait. Since this is already turned on, it cannot turn on again. Anyways, the light. Up to Glasgow Central we go. I'm not going to get over these motor sounds. They're so cool. I would not try it here for the 50 because in a couple of studs we'll need to slow down anyways, so I'll keep us at 15. Because we're now pushing 15. Oh, these, oh, why does that always happen? These work as they should. Perfect. Just like pistons, they work perfectly. Awesome. Oh. Yep. The horn does change. Listen to how strong it sounds now. I love how it works too. It's so realistic. And I love how Scott Will has ideas too. Because of course we'll need a loud horn in case that we're going, you know, too fast. Like when we're slowing down, it's like a low horn, so that's fine. But when we're going up to 20, because we're now going faster than we were. So cool. Faster and louder, slower and quieter. Scott Will, good brains. Also love the amount of detail they have everywhere too. Like these cables. As well as the attention to both, to having two of these. So I think the slanted one here is used for if this is, you know, come out and cannot go back in for fault. And this one's just, well, as it is. Hello there, 314s. 210. And 215. Oh, they did add that in. Seems like this car might be missing something. Oh, wait, I get... No, wait, what? This is where the pantograph is, so... I was thinking, maybe this is where they had the 380-1s from. They just removed the cars from here and forgot to add that in to this car. But no, the pantograph is at this side. Right next to 212. Don't need power, brake. Okay, this will be for now. I'll have a little break, then I head back on to driving the other side of the 380 for the tour.